Yes, sir. Lodi festival. Lodi is Punjab. Ma'am, the screen is a little blur.
Blur.
Okay, now it's fine.
Yeah.
Lodi is Punjabi festival and celebrated on 13th January every year. Lodi is celebrated to make the end of the peak winter season and signals the beginning of new farming season. This festival is traditionally associated with the harvest of the rabi crops. Punjabi farmers harvest their crops and see the day after Lodi as the uh,
Financial.
financial new year. Lodi is Punjabi folk festival celebrated in India. It is mostly celebrated around the bonfire. People eat jaggery, sesame seeds, gajak during celebration time. Hindus pray to God around bonfire for health and prosperity. The first Lodi after marriage and birth of child is celebrated in a grand way. Lodi is the festival of joy and happiness.
Very good. Very good. Now, Khushi, you read once.
Okay, ma'am. Lori festival. Lori is the Punjabi festival and celebrated on 13th January every year. Lori is celebrated to mark the end of peak winter season and signals the beginning of new farming season. This festival is traditionally associated with harvest of the rabi crops. Punjabi farmers harvest their crops and see the day after Lori as the financial new year. Lori is the Punjabi folk festival celebrated in India. It is mostly celebrated around the bonfire. People eat jej, jaggery, sesame
Jaggery.
seed, what ma'am?
Jaggery.
Jaggery, sesame seed, gajak during celebration time. Hindus party, Hindus pray to God around the bonfire for health and prosperity. The first Lori after marriage and birth of a child celebrated in a grand way. Lori is the festival of joy and happiness. Thank
Very,
you.
very good, beta. But it is Lohri. Lohri, not Lori. Okay. Lohri. So when
Okay.
if we talk about brainstorming technique and if we want to talk about this topic, so what we can do is, what is Lohri? We will try to use WH words. WH words. What are WH words? That means words related,
What when?
question related words.
Question mark.
So what is Lohri? First of all, we can talk about what is Lohri. Lohri is a festival of Punjabis. They have,
Punjabi.
है ना? So in on Lohri, like we can check the paragraph. What is Lohri? It was written
Lori is
Lodi
the
is
festival of
celebrated.
Punjabi.
Basically, Lodi is celebrated to mark the end of peak winter season and signals the beginning of new farming season. Main thing is this. Due to this reason, people celebrate Lodi. Okay. So, what is Lodi? We can talk about this one or two lines. Okay. Second point is when it is celebrated. Tell when it is celebrated.
It is celebrated on 13th 13th of January.
So we know this date is fixed. So we can talk about when it is celebrated. So WH words we are using when, what. So
Which, why,
hmm,
where.
suppose your teacher gave you a topic and you have to talk about it. So how would you do that? you will write these keywords. These are called keywords. Keywords. Keywords are basically hints. You can also say them hints. Keywords or hints. At that point of time when you have to speak on any topic, you won't be able to write the whole para, but you can write some keywords, you can write some hints according to that. Like, what is Lodi, when it is celebrated? Every year on 13 January it is which date? Okay, which date? Here we have to mention 13th of January. Okay, when it is celebrated in the month of January. Why is it celebrated? That we have already discussed, because Punjabi farmers harvest their crops on this day. Why is it celebrated?
Ma'am, on this day, Punjabi farmers harvest their
Rabi crops. Basically, they
crops.
harvest their Rabi crops. This is marked as the end of their financial year. Like the farmers, when they grow crops, na, they get their crop cut, yeah, harvested after 6 months. So at this point of time their Rabi crop gets cut, it gets harvested. That means after that they'll be getting a good sum of amount for their crops, isn't it? So that's why they celebrate this, that now our whatever our hard work is getting fruitful, basically. And it is celebrated by Punjabi farmers. In Punjab it is celebrated basically. So why is it celebrated? Okay, why is it to celebrate the harvest okay. Where it is celebrated? It is celebrated
Near
all,
the bonfire.
yeah, around the bonfire. And who celebrated? Punjabi farmers.
Punjabis.
Basically Punjabis, है ना? And how to celebrate it? We celebrated around the bonfire by eating, by enjoying some snacks such as gajak and popcorns and peanuts and sweets, है ना? We make
Ma'am, what is Jajier?
Jaggery is called good. You know, good is considered to be as a sweet in Punjab. So you know, gajak is also made of jaggery. Anything that includes jaggery, that is consumed on this day. So this is how you can talk about any topic. Now try to talk about it if you can. What is Lodi?
Lori is the festival of
Lodi. Yes, come on, what you can tell? Lodi
Lori is celebrated to mark the end of the
peak
peak
winter.
winter season,
So this is how the winter
beginning
season
of
is
the new
going to
farming
get,
season.
yeah. It is the end of peak winter, and now which season will come? Spring season. The beginning of spring season. And you know, let me tell you one thing more. In South India, this Lodi festival is celebrated as in Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated as Pongal. And even I have heard of some in Middle India, Central India, it is celebrated as Maghi. So like different people celebrate this festival, but with different names. No, I think Makar Sankranti is that. Makar Sankranti is that. No, that is Makar Sankranti. We'll talk about Makar Sankranti.
Tomorrow is Makar Sankranti.
Yeah, we'll talk about that also. Now tell me, would you be able to talk about it like this, with this technique?
Yes, ma'am.
And a little bit you can try. So practice it at home. Dhyana, are you listening?
Ma'am, this paragraph you have to make video.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So this is like, write some keywords, whatever you feel like, write some keywords and then try to speak on any topic without looking at that topic. है ना? And this technique try to use on different like whatever paragraphs we'll do na, so you can use this technique. Let's talk about Makar Sankranti now. Yesterday I did that also.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
we have to make a video on this.
Yeah, that would be very nice. Even other kids will also get benefit from this. They will get to know about these festivals if you can. Okay. Now let's talk about Makar
Hi.
Sankranti. Now, Dhyana, read it.
Ma'am, in my page, ma'am,
Ma'am, over
ma'am, इस
here.
पे वो brainstorming technique आ रही है.
Okay, just a moment.